IBM Tivoli Network Manager version 3.9 and the use of the GUI to configure adaptive polling. The module developer assumes that you have an understanding of the IBM Tivoli Network Manager polling and the properties that are associated with it. It's also necessary to have access to the GUI to create and change the configuration for polling policies. When you complete this module, you can perform these tasks. Create a network view to be used by the adaptive polling policy. Create adaptive poll policies and understand the timing of their operation. Sometimes a poll policy will fail for a particular device. Adaptive polling allows IBM Tivoli Network Manager to begin rapidly polling the device so the failure event can be more quickly confirmed or eliminated. Review the online documentation for more detail. Log into the IBM Tivoli Network Manager GUI. Click Administration, Network, and Network Polling. Here you can review the active polling policies. In this screen, a default chassis ping is enabled. Click Availability, Network Availability, and Network Views. A new tab will open with a list of current network views for this user. Here create a new view which will be used by the adaptive poller. Click New View and a new pop-up window will appear. Create properties in the pop-up window. The view to be created will be a filtered view. Any name can be used. The active event table is a table which is similar to alerts.status in the object server. The creation filter is based on event ID and tally. Events will be displayed that occur less than 19 times. For purposes of configuration, the 18 signifies how many times rapid polling of the device will confirm its outage. The setting of endnodes at the bottom of the screen would be set for include if you are interested in the inclusion of devices like no SMP access or printer. This view finds two devices, device 11 and device 10. This view will be dynamic. When a device has a tally larger than 18, the devices will vanish from this view. These failures might still exist in the object server or active event list, but will vanish from the view. The Confirm Device Down policy can be used to initiate the adaptive polling. The chassis ping is enabled and the network view is created. This poll can now be configured and enabled for adaptive polling to work. Adaptive polling commences with this policy and the polling will occur every 15 seconds. In this example, a chassis ping poll will occur at a 15-second interval. The Network View tab shows the most important piece of filtering to make this adaptive poll work. Not all devices will be polled, only the devices that appear in the Rapid Chassis View that were previously created. So the Confirm Device Down poll happens only for devices that are from the default chassis ping that are currently down and have a tally of 19 or less. Note how fast the tally increments. Once a device has a tally of 1 and appears in this view, the Confirm Device Down policy will rapid poll this device. Every 15 seconds the event increments in tally or the device responds and it clears. With adaptive polling enabled, devices that are down are quickly polled again in a rapid fashion. If an anomaly occurs and the device was down for a short period, the event is quickly cleared and no action needs to be taken by an operator. If the device truly is down, it will use the chassis poll policy 18 times in approximately 6 minutes. Without the adaptive poller, it takes 36 minutes to see the same number of polls. The network view is now cleared. What conclusion can be drawn? This device responded to one of the chassis ping polls or adaptive rapid polls and the device is now up. Or the device is still down and the tally of unanswered polls is now at 19. Typically it means that it was not a short anomaly and there is a significant outage to review. Adaptive polling can be configured for both ping or SMP-based poll policies Review the IBM Tivoli Network Manager blog for more examples of the timing and properties that are used by the adaptive poller. Now that you have completed this module, you can create adaptive poll policies for IBM Tivoli Network Manager version 3.9.